Cool. So the recording is on. Now, have you guys had the chance to look at the two things that I sent a while back?
No, I haven't. Sorry.
Okay. No, yeah, no issues. Is there anything particular that we want to work on?
Another option. Let me look. I'm just looking at the powerful
No,
branding.
I mean outside, like what are your preferences?
I see, I see. I don't really have strong feelings any particular way.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much the same. Even I'm okay with kind of any project. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Both of you are CS, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So both of the things that I sent were healthcare related because that's kind of my domain. But outside of that is also fine. And I guess the first one that I sent
Mm-hmm.
was a continuing Kaggle competition. And uh, I think both of them are related to image processing as well. So uh, if any one of you is in the image processing class, that would be nice. Like anyone on the team.
Okay. I've not taken the class, but
Yeah, me
Okay,
neither.
okay, me neither. um, doesn't really matter, but this is something related to. So one of them is related to brain activity,
Uh-huh.
and the other one is for uh, mapping out ECG signals from an image to a time series data. So you have that ECG graph, right? Your heartbeat, and the challenge is to take any image and plot out that line in an Excel sheet.
Right.
Mhm.
So these are the two things. Um, so sure, open to any ideas and any feedback on those two topics.
Yeah. For me, the Kaggle competition looks good actually.
Okay.
Yeah. I agree. And I think Kaggle might just be easier to work with. It's a nice sort of data set. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. It's kind of well defined, I would say, with all the data and stuff. So
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I honestly don't mind anything. Even if you guys have a proposal that you want to work on, some that's also fine. This is just something that I found by chance while looking at a different project. So I sent
Gotcha.
it here. Um, if we want to work on this, fantastic, sounds good. And let's see how big the data is. So yeah. In both cases, we are dealing with a pretty large data set. So the Kaggle one is 26 gigabytes, and the other one is also pretty huge. So again, this won't be running locally, I guess, and we would need some cloud resources for either of these projects.
oh, I see.
I have Collab Pro for what it's worth.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much does it allow you to work with?
You can attach it to Google Drive. Uh,
Okay.
but I think we only get 15 gigabytes in our drive. You might also be able to. What I could do probably is create a bucket in Google Cloud and attach it to that, and that you have pretty much unlimited storage.
I see.
Uh, yeah.
Um, I
Let me see
think
if I can do that.
so. Kaggle should have its own interface, like Jupyter notebooks for you know doing all this,
Right.
and it might. I've never used that, but it might have because this thing is hosted on Kaggle. I'm assuming that they have the possibility of having that size of data
Yeah. Yeah.
attached. Um, Have any of you guys used?
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Sorry,
bless you.
what?
Any of you guys use Kaggle for writing a notebook?
Nope. I generally use Jupyter notebooks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it does look like you can connect a Google bucket to Colab, so it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Because we can just dump it in a bucket in the worst case. But I'll look at the Kaggle notebooks to see what how they do it.
Yeah, I'm just looking that up as well.
Mhm.
Here, CV, HTML, blah, blah, blah. It looks like there's a bunch of work on this in the Kaggle competition too, which might be pretty useful.
Okay. So it seems doable.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Let me just go through the training data. I thought it was images, but apparently not. It's EEG, so it's electro. Wait, what is the full form of EEG?
Some electroencephalography.
Okay, interesting.
Is it actually still an open competition? No.
Yes,
Huh. So we
it
could
is.
win. That'd be fun.
I mean, yes, we can hypothetically. That
50
would be nice.
grand. Oh, 20 grand to the first prize. Okay. Yeah. I don't know that we will, but theoretically.
Yeah.
Cool.
It looks like it's time series. I'll have to look into it more, but so there is images. There is if I go to example figures, there's images there. In the train CSV, it's more numerical data, so it's a mixture of both. So
Okay.
this is an interesting thing to like work with, and this might be well beyond the scope of our class. Could be.
Yeah.
Train notes CSV metadata for this train set. Expert data is 50-second long EEG samples. I see. Yeah, that could be.
I don't have a problem working on this. This can be fun.
Yeah. No, I think it'll be an interesting challenge.
Yeah. And even if you like don't get through with everything that the competition is asking for, you can always work with the data the numerical data at least to figure out what is required from the class point of view. Like it's probably something like data cleaning, finding outliers, the basic stuff. That can always be done. So yeah, I'm fine with this. I think we'll take a vote in the group.
That sounds good.
This is a very short meeting. Nothing from my side to add. If anything you guys have, please go ahead.
No, nothing for me.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Like it sounds good. Yeah.
Okay. I guess we'll end it here. I'll post the recording in a drive and post the link in the chat.
Great.
Great. Thanks for joining. Have a
All
nice
right.
day.
Have a
See
nice
ya.
day.